Hi everyone! In this video, you would find my article on choice, the role of choice in life. Here we go. Hi all! I introduce myself right from what you want to wear today and to what you want to become in your life. I am there in every phase of it. Any guess? Hey, I am choice. I play a vital role in your life. Dear friends, life is a precious gift. Choice in life is very crucial. Your life depends on your choice. However, choice has got freedom. Freedom, when used for doing right things, helps you to grow as a better human being. Then, how to make right use of freedom? Use your wisdom. And what is wisdom? Ability to choose what is right and wrong. How to develop that ability? By righteous thinking. How to develop that thinking? By listening to your heart. So, how to listen to your heart? By regulating your mind. How to regulate your mind? Meditation is the master key, which helps us in developing correct thinking, right understanding, and honest approach to life. Friends, I do follow heartfulness meditation and it's helping me a lot, and I strongly recommend it to everyone. Dear all, I'll be very happy if you all use me right and prosper in your life. Your will to make right choice makes your life meaningful and beautiful. All the best, choice. This page is all about my training information. If you like this video, please do click the bell icon, share it and subscribe. And take care until I meet you with my next video. Bye.